mi gente hermosa, and welcome to my channel. My name is Faith, and as seen by today's title, we're going to be unboxing some Moterm items, some covers for my planners in particular that I received from Aliexpress. And yeah, if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. Okay, so the first two items I want to start off with were the smaller items. So I ended up picking up some rings for my pocket size planner. I've received Penny. Oh, okay, my cat, sorry. Yeah, she's gonna be there. Anyway, I received these 25mm rings. They're gold. I'm gonna go ahead and take the package off completely. And excuse her, I don't know why she's still sitting there. She's sitting on top of the Moterm box. Okay, and they look like this. And these go for the pocket size. I'm gonna most likely put these inside one of my other covers. The next thing I wanted to unbox is the pocket size planner that I got from Moterm. So I received the luxe version. I keep saying I received like they gave me this. I bought the luxe version. I can get it open. And I got it in, hold on. I received it in the color taupe. Let's go ahead and open it completely out of this dust bag. And here she is. A beautiful color. Now with the luxe, it comes with the 30mm rings. And this is how it looks. Still has the big pocket like the rest of the covers do. And yeah, this is really nice. I am very excited because I actually have a regular size pocket and then I have a pocket versa. But this is my first time having a luxe cover. Okay, and lastly, I just have an A5 cover. This one I am most excited for because of the color and the material. As seen by Flyleaf, I think you all know what color this is. But yes, I got the cream Croc for the A5 and I am so happy about it because it is beautiful. Look at this. So beautiful, y'all. So beautiful. And then it has the big pocket in the back as well. And this is my first Moterm A5 cover, and I'm so excited to use it. And put the Flyleaf in here, and see with this one it has two pin holders, pin loops. Okay, so this is just a togetherness of all the three items that I purchased from Aliexpress. And if you all have enjoyed this video, please don't be afraid to like, comment, or even subscribe for more videos as such. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Love you, bye.